Hey YouTube, this is TNG here. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get into any Mac without needing the passcode. So the reason I'm having to film this is because I don't actually have a capture card or anything. But yeah, but this requires rebooting your computer, so I can't just use a software screen recorder. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do, as I mentioned, you need to shut it down. So we're just going to hit shut down and wait for the computer to do that. Alright, so basically what this involves doing, let me just talk as it's doing its thing. So, if you've ever heard of recovery mode on the Mac, it's essentially this mode that allows you to fix things on your computer when things have gone wrong. And you can access this mode, along with other partitions, by turning on the computer and holding Option as it's booting up. And we have liftoff. So I'm holding Option right here. If you can see my finger in the bottom left, I am holding the Option key. And there we go. So this is the menu that you should be greeted with. So as you can see, I have Mac, I have Windows because I have Boot Camp, but then there's also Recovery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Recovery mode. Alrighty here. So once we have completed boot up into recovery mode, this is the screen you should be greeted with. So it says OS X Utilities in this little window right here. And so what we're going to want to do here is we're going to ignore this window altogether, as tempting as it might be, and we're going to go over to Utilities and to Terminal. So it might take a little bit depending on your hard drive speed. As I mentioned earlier, mine is extraordinarily slow. But once you have Terminal up, it is as simple and self-explanatory as typing in reset password. No caps, no spaces. So once you type that in, this little window right here will pop up, and all you gotta do is select your hard drive, select the account that you wish to get into, and enter in your new password. So in this case, I don't really have need to change my password, so I'm just going to enter in what my old password was. But yeah, you could change the person's password to whatever you want it to. I'm going to make my tint numbers, because it's numbers. Why not? And then when you're done, just hit save. And that user account's password is changed to whatever you want. So there we go. That is how you that's basically how you get into anyone's computer. You could just change the password to whatever you want, and then it's as simple as logging in. And of course, you could even make the password just be nothing, and that's probably the easiest way to go about it. But anyway, I'm sure the rest is pretty self-explanatory as for actually rebooting and logging in. All you gotta do is hit restart, and your computer will reboot as normal. Alright, so this has been a TNG tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, favorite, subscribe, all that great stuff. This is TNG signing out. Have a good one.